Hey my beautylicious babes, welcome back to another makeup tutorial. So today's is inspired by a makeup artist I found on Instagram. As you can see here, I did a little poll on my Instagram and asked you guys to vote on what look you'd like me to recreate and chuck my own little spin on, and you guys wanted this pink and purple glam Diamante look, which I'm obsessed with. I was actually so excited because secretly this is also the one that I wanted to. So I'm starting off by priming my eyelids. I'm using just a concealer to do this. This is with the Fenty No Filter Concealer. Then to highlight my inner corner, I'm using a cream base, and this is the NYX White Jumbo Pencil in Milk, and I'm applying that on and just kind of blending that in with my finger. First eyeshadow of the day, I'm going in with Wisteria from Makeup Geek, just a light purple, and blending that through the crease with a fluffy blending brush. Then the inner corner, I'm going to highlight with Ice Queen from Makeup Geek to just set that white base in place, but also add a bit of extra pizzazz. Then I'm going in with this light pink shadow on the center of the eye socket just to add a transition from purple to pink to white. Next I'm going in with this purple eyeliner slash like cream base from Morphe. This is Voodoo. It's a beautiful deep like indigo color, and I'm creating a little wing on the outer corner. Then I'm going in with like a pointed pencil brush and a bit more of that cream base and just kind of blending out the edges of that wing liner. I'm going over top with this stunning shimmery purple eyeshadow and blending out the edges with that, and going in with a bit of a defined brush to get the very edge of that wing liner so I didn't blend it down too far. Then I'm going back in with the Wisteria, a bit of that pink, and just softening the edges with a fluffy blending brush. And you should have a little something like this. Next I'm going in with this beautiful like wet glitter, and I'm placing that on with a brush, and then going in with this beautiful pink sparkly glitter pressed kind of eyeshadow. I'm going over top just to have a bit of like a transition from the pinky glitter into like the purpley pinky glitter kind of thing into the winged liner. And I go back and just blend out some of that purple into the glitter just so there's a bit of a softer transition. And I make sure to clean up the edge with just a Q-tip and a bit of makeup remover so that's a nice sharp line similar to the photograph, the inspiration that I'm taking from. Then I'm going to go in with lashes, and I went in with these gorgeous like cat eye lashes from Oh My Lash, and then I also stacked on these stunning purple lashes over top to add a bit of more like of that purple just pop on the lashes as well as in the eyes. I just thought it was a bit of fun, you know. And these are from the Isabel Vries limited coloured eyelashes collection, which I'll leave linked down below. Next I'm going in and adding these stunning, just very different coloured Diamantes. I used a bit of purple ones, a bit iridescent, a bit of pink, just scattered them here and there. And for the lower lash line, I actually went in and used a brown gel eyeliner to define up the lower lash line, and I also placed that in my waterline and extended it on my inner and the outer corner. I did have to go back and fix up the outer corner because I wanted it to dip down as opposed to dip out to extend that eye look. You can see I've already done my base makeup. I have done an updated base makeup routine if you'd like to see that. And then to finish off, I went in with this beautiful orchid like purpley cream product and just went over my bottom lashes to add a bit of pink, a bit of purple, like soft mauve tones. And this is the finished look, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's makeup tutorial, and let me know what you'd like to see next. Bye guys.